Yeah, hello everyone. I am Madhav, a sophomore from BPIT, and let's discuss today what is Hacktoberfest. The main reason you all are here for. It's been a while and you guys were waiting. Yeah, let's start. So, what is Hacktoberfest and what's so special about Hacktoberfest 2021? So, Hacktoberfest 2021 is the 8th edition of Hacktoberfest hosted by DigitalOcean. It is an open source festival celebrated during October every year, encouraging people worldwide to actively participate and contribute to open source projects which are hosted across GitHub and this year GitLab too. GitLab is a similar platform as GitHub. But if I state you a fact, last year in Hacktoberfest 2020, more than 1.5 lakh participants were there in Hacktoberfest, and more than 1,10,000 repositories were there which participated in Hacktoberfest. So there are many things you can do. But what is Hacktoberfest and what are these tools? So as I told, it's a open source festival, and how it is celebrated, it is of course beginner friendly. It is made beginner friendly so that people can come learn about GitHub, learn about open source contributions. So what do you need to do? You need to find out 4 repositories which have the Hacktoberfest label on it. I'll show you my with my screen sharing how to do that, how to find a project. But you need to find this project, and as Rohan said, he described the above all that process of pull request and commit and contribution, forking. You have to make 4 pull requests on the repositories which have the Hacktoberfest label, and after that you will be given as a t-shirt as a token of appreciation for your Hacktoberfest contribution. And the Hacktoberfest will start from October 1 and it will run throughout the month till October 31st. Yeah, that's all. Now I'll share my screen for that. Ron, can you please show the participant the next slide? Yeah. So that was all. Now I'll share my screen. Is my screen visible, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So here's my GitHub. You can all can follow. I hope all of you learned about GitHub very well, and now you can go to GitHub. And what you need to do is to contribute for Hacktoberfest. Suppose you know a skill, or suppose you don't. And one special thing about open source is you don't need to be a coder or specialize in coding to be contributing to Hacktoberfest. You can do non-code contributions also. And how is that done? I'll show you all. Okay, so suppose you know Python, and for that you will just write Python in the search box and do a special thing here, a tweak, which is a hack. You add this code as a label, which is Hacktoberfest. Now you will get some repositories and issues for Python which are open for contributions and are open for Hacktoberfest. And one thing you should notice is that many repositories will have this good first issue. So what a good first issue means? Good first issue, as the name states, is a issue which is beginner friendly. So if you don't know coding, if you are new to coding, you should always prefer taking up good first issues which are easier to solve, and often they just require the editing the readme or correcting their docs, grammatical mistake, etc. Okay, let's get into it. Suppose this is a project I code over. It's sci-fi and it has the Hacktoberfest label. Okay, suppose I want to contribute to this project. What I'll do is I won't show because we are running late. I'll do everything what Rohan said. Clone this repository, make your change, and then commit, and yeah, that's all, and make the pull request, and the maintainers will merge your pull request. Yeah, that's all. But there is a condition. You need, for you to be eligible for the t-shirt, your at least 4 pull requests should be merged. you can say that I made 4 pull requests but I did not receive the t-shirt. That's because that there can be a reason that your 4 pull requests did not get merged. Suppose your 3 pull requests merged but one did not. So you should check out that all of your at least 4 pull requests gets merged too. Yep, that's all about it. I think anything is left.
Okay, thanks for joining
Also,
everyone. Okay.
A point also, please, open source is a very good community, and please keep in mind that don't stop your Hacktober journey after don't stop your open source journey after Hacktober finishes. Uh, Once you join an organization, be with it and contribute to it later on. It will be definitely benefit in your career too, as Dharya told in the first point. And of course, as I said, open source community is that no matter how small or big your contributions are, the community will always welcome your efforts and collaborate with you positively, sharing their feedbacks and expressing their gratitude. One more point, if time allows, I would like to add that the contributions can be overwhelming at many times, that you will see a large code base and that will be overwhelming for you, that how will I contribute to this project. So just don't get scared, or you can always reach out to their uh, Slack channel or Discord or GitHub channels, where you can ask your doubts. How can you start contribute? How can you onboard? Yeah, that's all. Also, but yeah, that's all.